Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to use manufacturer slider in shopping worlds. Log into the backend. Go to Marketing and Shopping Worlds. Click on Edit. Now go to Elements tab and drag and drop the manufacturer slider. Now click on Edit. Now go to Manufacturer Type drop down and select Selected Manufacturers. Fill down the title box. Now check on Display Arrows and Rotate Automatically. Now go to Select Manufacturer drop down and select your manufacturers. Click Save. Refresh the page to see the changes. Go to Tablet Landscape. Now drag and drop the slider to the placeholder. Stretch the slider. Now go to Tablet Portrait and repeat the process. Now go to Mobile Landscape and repeat the process. Now go to Mobile Portrait and repeat the process. Click Save. Refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.